One of the most beautiful places in Warsaw, Łazienki Park, or in Polish, Łazienki Królewskie. One of the most famous landmarks here is the Chopin Monument. It honors Poland's greatest composer and is a popular spot for summer piano concerts in the open air. You'll see plenty of ducks all around the ponds and canals in Łazienki. This park is famous for its breathtaking nature. You'll find ancient trees, colorful flowers, ponds, and beautiful bridges. Łazienki Park is home to friendly squirrels. They are everywhere, climbing trees or sitting on branches, nibbling on nuts. They're surprisingly tame and will often come right up to you. It's a magical little encounter that makes your walk even more special. This park is located in the city center, making it the perfect place for a relaxing walk, cultural visit, or a picnic surrounded by nature. Look closely in the ponds and canals. You'll spot here giant carps gliding through the water. The park was designed in the style of an English landscape garden. It blends architecture, sculpture, and nature seamlessly, making it a true outdoor museum. Łazienki isn't just lawns and trees. It's a home to several significant historic buildings, including palaces, pavilions, amphitheaters, and monuments. Don't miss the White Pavilion, a small but elegant palace built for private royal gatherings. Its bright facade stands out beautifully among the greenery. During World War II, many of the park's buildings were damaged or looted by occupying forces. But thanks to careful restoration, today you can see them much as they were in the 18th century. If you want something more exotic, visit the Chinese garden. It's designed in traditional style, with red bridges and lanterns. Watch out for majestic peacocks here. You'll see them strolling proudly across the lawns or hiding in the bushes. One of the park's highlights is the Palace on the Isle. This beautiful neoclassical building was once a royal bathhouse and later transformed into the king's summer residence. It seems to flow on the water, making it one of the Warsaw's most iconic views. Łazienki Park is a perfect blend of history, art, wildlife and nature. Thank you for watching and see you soon!